is cut the lime and then peel and chop the papaya. Let's start with the lime. Magic it. Hello there, welcome to Lung's Kitchen again. Today we'll be making Lao papaya salad. My version, just plain fish sauce, papaya, tomato, and sugar, lime, MSG. You don't have to add MSG you don't want to. Here's the ingredient. We have 2 limes, I like it sour, a bunch of pepper, you like it spicy, shrimp paste, MSG, sugar. You need the sugar, but you don't need the MSG if you don't like. And fish sauce, fish paste. Start with the seasoning. I usually crush the pepper with the sugar, but since I'm not going to use pepper on this one, it's optional. These are very spicy. Thai pepper. I'm making this for my wife. So, just going to add MSG. About 1 teaspoon. And then 2 teaspoons of sugar, shrimp paste, about half a teaspoon is good. Instead of using salt, I just use shrimp paste. Very simple. And start off with about 2 spoons and mix it together. Normally you will have pepper in here, but since it's not going to be spicy, this is the non-spicy version of it. Just seasoning the fish sauce. Add in the tomato. Very simple. You can put all that pepper in there. Normally I put like 5 pepper or 10 pepper. Most Lao people would use about 10. They love it very spicy. These cherry tomatoes are sweet, so it doesn't have any of the sour taste. That's why I need 2 limes. Now we're going to add our limes. That's 1, 2. This is traditional food. People make different variety, different variation of this. Some people put dry shrimp, some people put seafood in, and like shrimp, squids, calamari, stuff like that. Some people use green bean and papaya. Some people use carrot and papaya, whatever you have around. Some people just smash some cabbage. It's normally served with a side of cabbage and kangkong water spinach, Asian water spinach. In English, it would be morning glory. I'm just crushing the tomato to release the flavor in the juice. It's gonna have a nice, sweet, sour, tangy flavor. But you add spice to it, it's even better. Okay, we're gonna add our papaya. Gonna make a small amount today. Enough for 2 people or 1 person, depending how much you eat. But usually you serve this with side of fried chicken. I got some fried chickens. You eat this with the Lao sausage, say garlic, or any of the smoked sausage. The American sausage is fine. Customarily, we eat this with sticky rice, but I'm diabetic, so I have to avoid the sticky rice. Occasionally, I indulge and enjoy it, but it's not good for me, so I'm not gonna eat it with sticky rice or white rice. I'm just gonna eat it with fried chicken. Cut off the carb. If I want some rice, I'll get maybe a scoop, 2 scoops. That's it. And it's done. That's the finished product. Serve it some crackling peanuts. You can add dry shrimp to this. You can boil some seafood like shrimp, calamari, squid, whatever. You can put it in here. You can put mussels, clam, whatever you like. But this is the basic. It's not hard. I try to make it easy. Don't make it too complicated. I'll make a more complicated version later. Let me taste the season, the sauce. It's good already. Food's ready to eat. This is the papaya salad. This is how we eat it. We eat it with our hand in Laos, so this is not rude. It's actually, this is how we eat. We don't use utensils to eat papaya salad. Get some herb. Spice it up. Woo! That's hot. And then fried chicken. Mà đơ, กินข้าวเด้อ กินตำบักหุ่งน้ำกัน It's good. Chicken is crunchy. This is Kroger fried chicken, not mine. Customary, we eat this with grilled chicken, fried fish, sausage, or steak. We'll grill the steak, season it, serve it medium rare. Have some sauce, papaya salad, and sticky rice. That's crunchy. Now pepper. Get some mint. Okay, enjoy, try it.